We present VibeTrade, our multi-agent platform for implementing strategies with natural language. So it allows traders to go from the concept to foolproof, back-tested strategy in one conversation. It allows to validate trade an idea, implement its logic, and evaluate it based on some metrics and run backtest in a sandboxed environment.
So this is the implementation of our agentic system. So we start with a user query that is a strategy that user has in mind and that it wants to implement. Then the agent verifies if it got all of the data it needs from the user to pass it to the developer agent to create the code. If not, then it iterates a loop, goes back to the user, and when this agent is happy, it passes it to the quant agent.
Yeah, and here we utilize the state graph of SpoonOS and conditional edges, and it allows for a very modular, very extensible architecture. So once we verify that all of the requirements are clear, we go to the quant agent who actually implements the strategy, and it runs in the loop with the backtesting agent. The backtesting agent launches a Docker container where it runs the strategy and see how it performs on various metrics on the data based on like a past year or on some period of time.
Yeah, and it actually fetches live historical data from Binance API for any coin for any time frame. Actually, we support 3 time frames: 1 minute, 1 hour, and 1 day. So yeah, and now we're gonna go to the demo. Yeah, so here's our agent. We will describe a basic strategy to it. For example, buy when indicator RSI value is less than 30. And sell when RSI value is more than 70. So our agent analyzes our query. Yeah, it proposes us to run it on BTC USDT 1 hour time frame over a period of 6 months.
So the agent identified that the requirements are not clear yet, and it asks us to clarify them. So now we want to specify that 1 hour time frame, BTC USDT.
Yeah, we're just basically going to accept this agent's proposition, and it actually starts to make the call to the quant agent, which generates the code.
And now it's running in the loop with the backtester agent. The code might not compile from the first time, so the backtester agent summarizes the error and returns it. So now it's succeeded, and
now we actually run the backtest by fetching the historical data from Binance API over this period on the 1 hour time frame, using the Quant Connect lean backtesting system, which is an industry standard way of running systems. It provides lots of really useful features for doing this. And yeah,
so
actually we can see that it starts a Docker container, so it runs in an isolated environment. It just finished, and now we get the implementation of our algorithm. So it's it sells it buys when RSI is less than 30. So yeah, it's set holding is essentially buying, and when it's 70 it liquidates, it is selling. And now we can go to the dashboard to see how well it performs on a 1 hour time frame over that period of time. So it performed quite well, 33.96.
So this is based on the data the last half year.
Yeah, now we can actually run it on a different time frame, for example 1 day. Now it will actually take some time to run the backtest. It involves fetching data from the Binance API, and also running the backtest itself takes significant time, but it's usually not more than 2 or 3 minutes. So yeah, we can see again that it runs a Docker container. So yeah, it's all isolated. Yeah, just finished. And yeah, actually, using this strategy, it only entered 1 position over the period of 6 months, and it was profitable. So it made $8,000 if it had an initial deposit of $100,000. So yeah, that's our project. Thank you for your attention.